Hello everyone, welcome to Louis Home. A lot of people ask me how to choose PS or PET. Today I will just tell you the difference between these two materials. So here you can see this is PS and this is PET. So from the appearance you will see they have different transparency. It looks that PS is more transparency than this PET. But as you all know, that PS is easy to get scratches, and when you just drop it, it's easy to get damage. So now I will just show you the job test for these two items. This is PET, and I will. Oh, sorry, this is PS. See, can you see? For these corner parts. See the corner, just damage. And there are some scratches on the surface. Now I will just show you the PET. See? Actually, the material is a little bit softer than PS, so it will not damage, and there is no scratches. You can see. After time's job, the material is still survivable, so you can choose this safely. If you want more transparency, you can choose PS, but from my point of view, I like PET because it's more stronger. Thank you.